Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is how to install Jenkins at a different port number. Let me answer. If you know about Jenkins and its installation, by default, when you install Jenkins with normal command without specifying any port number, it will get installed at a port number known as 8080. It's the default port number where Jenkins gets installed and runs on. But what if you want to install Jenkins at a different port number other than the default port number 8080? In that case, you have to slightly modify the command for installing Jenkins by adding this extra attribute known as --HTTP port is equal to, and you have to give a different port number. Okay, if you don't give this extra attribute with this command, then it will install at default port number 8080. But if you give this extra attribute, it will get installed at the desired port number, okay, or a different port number. Let me practically demonstrate this for you. For that, you have to download jenkins.war file from the official website of Jenkins. Already it is there in my machine. In the previous interview question videos also, I answered it, how to download Jenkins, okay? So hoping that you already know how to download Jenkins from the official website. Here, the place where this jenkins.war file is available, select that path and type cmd here so that the command prompt will open at that same location, okay, where this jenkins.war file is available. As you can see here, the command prompt got launched, okay, here. Now here I'll write down java-jar jenkins.war. Till here the command is same, but if you press enter here, it will install Jenkins at the default port number 8080. But what if you want Jenkins to get installed at a different port number other than the default port number 8080? In that case, you have to give this extra attribute --HTTP port is equal to, and you have to give something like, for example, 2356. Okay, I'm giving a different port number 2356 and pressing enter. Because of this extra attribute, now Jenkins will get installed at a default port, at a different port number, that is 2356. Whatever the port number I gave, at that only Jenkins will get installed and will run on. Okay, so let's wait for the installation to be done. You'll get a password because for the first time you are running this command, so you'll get this password. So to unlock Jenkins and all. Now I'll open the browser and search, and I'll just simply say localhost : instead of 8080, I'll give 2356. I think this is the port number I gave, right? 2356. Okay. Press enter. If the Jenkins is running here means, if you are able to go to the Jenkins page means, we were able to successfully install Jenkins at a different port number other than the default port number. Okay. So let's wait. Let's wait for the page to load. Sometimes it will take some time to load the page. At the port number, different port number 2356, Jenkins should get installed. Okay. You see? Please wait while Jenkins is getting ready. This means that Jenkins got installed or running at the 2356 port number, guys. Okay, nothing more than that. You can sometimes close it and again you open it, but you will get a different screen generally. Like this. Again, let me open the browser and say again 2356. Let's see. Sometimes you'll get that message. You just restart the browser with again run the port, run the Jenkins on that port, and you will get this unlock Jenkins, and you have to use this password to set up Jenkins and all. Okay, whatever the password you got, all the steps are different. Okay, but we were able to install Jenkins at a different port number. Okay, I have practically demonstrated this for you. So hope guys you got the answer for this question. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye bye.